All right, so I have an example of another organization where we have new employees from 3 different places, and they come in, they keep one of the leaders, they have a leader that's brand new, he's been successful in other places, but they don't have any established culture yet. And as we watch this little video clip, I want you to think, where is their culture headed? And I'm gonna have you talk with somebody close to you, all right? So it's set in Alexandria, Virginia in 1971, just as they're starting to integrate all the schools, segregation is going away. T.C. Williams High School, they have 2 white schools and a black school that are all merging together. And you can imagine in 1971, that was a pretty big deal. So you have 2 coaches. Herman Boone, played by Denzel Washington, is appointed as the head coach, not because he's not a good coach, but because of the color of his skin. And you can see Coach Yost is the coach that stayed on, stays with them. But again, there's going to be a lot of friction there. So as we watch this clip, I just want you to think about, where is their culture and where is it headed?